Dealing with backflower therapy. Our esteemed speaker for today is Dr. S.K. Wahidunisa. She is BHMS and MD Homeopathy in Pediatrics from JSPS Government Medical College, Hyderabad. She has completed her backflower level 1 and level 2 from government certified NSDC. Also, she has worked as assistant professor in forensic medicine and pediatric department at JIMS Homeopathic Medical College, Shamshabad. And presently, she is working at Pale Davakhana medical officer under NHM, practicing both homeopathy and backflower therapy. So over to you, Dr. Wahidunisa. We are eager to learn from you. Please begin.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yeah. First of all, I want to thank you, Padmaja madam, for giving me this opportunity. And one more thing, where I have learned this bachelor therapy, I want to tell one small thing. Actually, the bachelor therapy, this program is given by Art of Living from Bangalore. They give the certificate from government. It is government certificate. Anyone who is interested can join their program and they can grow in bachelor remedy. They can study in depth regarding the bachelor therapy. We can give both bachelor therapy and homeopathy at a time. No need to worry. Then I want to present this. Can you see this slide, ma'am? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, it's more visible.
Yeah. So today's topic is about healing with bachelor remedies. So bachelor therapy, you all know, it was developed by Edward Bach. Actually, he was a allopath. He's an English physician. He's an English physician, a bacteriologist. He developed this bachelor therapy in 1930. So he based mostly on the emotional well-being. The main concept behind this is emotional well-being. Like homeopathy, we have like cures like. So here only emotional well-being is the main source and main basic for the bachelor treatment. So they use certain flowers, the wild flowers which are available in the forest areas. So he developed 38 remedies by using his intuitive power, only basing on the intuitive power, no experiments, nothing. Later he developed the experiments. How he came to batch flower remedy experimentation, all this, there is a big long history. In before a bachelor batch, before the scientist batch, he discovered this batch flower. He used homeopathy medication. He was very vexed up regarding the allopathy medication, so he went to homeopathy hospital. Under the teachings of the Samuel Hahnemann, he developed this bachelor treatment later. So some nosodes, bubble nosodes were also developed by our batch, bubble nosodes. So the main interesting thing here, what is it means? Batch flower, the batch, Edward Batch, he died at the age of 50 years. He was diagnosed to have cancer, and the doctors told him that you will live only for 3 months. But by using the bachelor therapy, he survived for about 19 years after he got diagnosed to the batch. So the survival part is due to the batch flowers. This was the great aspect. We can see that even for cancer, he survived for 19 years with cancer. So we can give it in any other cases also. For example, here I want to tell here that this is mostly on the emotional aspect. So generally, the disease how they come because of negative emotions. Mostly negative emotions may turn into disease as per the batch. What he told is the mind is more sensitive compared to other parts of the body. So it expresses the disease And the cause of the disease, even the progress of the disease, is expressed through the mind, that is nothing but the negative emotions. For example, this fear is a basic human emotion. So, in Bach flower remedies, mimulus is a remedy which is given for the specific fear. So, this is how we can come to a remedy. Here only 38 remedies are there compared to homeopathy, which have n number of remedies. So it is easy to practice Bach flower when compared to homeopathy, because there is no repertorization, no sensation matter, nothing at all. Directly basing on the emotions, negative emotions, 38 emotions are there, 38 remedies are there, simple. So how these remedies are made? The remedies are made from the flowers, as already I have told you. One is the sun method, one more method is the boiling method. What is sun method means? Which are delicate flowers. Flowers also there will be delicate flowers and which are harder or sturdier like that. Which are very delicate flower, in the sun method is used. What they will do means just they keep this flowers in a water and keep under the sunlight. So that because of the heat energy, the properties of the flowers will infuse into the water. And the second method is the boiling method. This is for the harder flowers or sturdier plants. So they boil in water so that again the properties will get infused into the water. Here I want to note one thing, that this water has a memory power. Water is a conscious thing. This experiment was conducted in Stuttgart Aerospace Institute. They conducted the study on water to know the structure of water. So they find out that each and every water is structure is different from one another. Means nothing but similar to homeopathy individualization. No person is similar to some other person. I am different, you are different. Similarly, water is also, if we take the water and study the structure, whatever they have taken, different n number of water structures have been studied. So what they did later, they kept flowers in the water and studied. Then water modified or converted into the particular structure of that flower. So they got to know that the flowers, the water is having the memory power. So by using this memory power, we are doing sun method and we are doing the boiling method, and we are infusing the medicinal properties of that particular flower into the water and using the Bach flower remedies. We are preparing the Bach flower remedies. Here, the most important aspect is this one. Mostly, we homeopaths, actually we see the bottles, what it is written 6C or 30C like that. Mostly 6C is only there, but there is no potency in Bach flower remedies. We have to note this point, because we think that 6C is a very lower potency, we can frequently repeat like that, but no, nothing potency is there. Why? What is it? How it is prepared? See this. In the both the cases, we have opted both either boiling method or sun method, and the water is having the power of the flowers. Then this energized water, what we will do means it is filtered to equal quantity of the water, equal quantity of the brand is added, and this is called as the mother tincture of Bach flower remedy, or other name is mother essence. We can call it as mother tincture or mother essence. So from this mother essence, again 2 drops of tincture, mother tincture or mother essence, both are same. So from this mother tincture, 2 drops are taken and it is added to 30 ml of water to make the stock bottle. This is the stock bottle. In US or in Canada or any other countries, the stock bottles are available. They will not label any 6C or 30C or any potency. Only stock bottles are available. From the stock bottle, we have to prepare the treatment mix. These are the stock bottles. Bach flower remedies, how they sell in London. You can see the batch directly. This is from the batch center. They have prepared. You can see the names of the remedies also: agrimony, mimulus, wine, hornbeam, mustard, everything you can see. And it is written as homeopathic, but it is not homeopathic. This is nothing to do with trituration or anything. This is no potencies are there in batch level remedies. So here the batch level remedies we can differentiate why we have to use batch level, why can't homeopathy? Even we have homeopathy, then why we have to study batch level? These are many questions we can see. As already I have told you, homeopathy is very vast. We have plenty of repertories. But here in batch level remedies, only 30 remedies are there based on the emotions. So it is easy to find out a remedy in batch level. But homeopathy, we have to work out a lot. Here, there is a principle we know like use like, but in batch level, only depending upon the emotions, how batch identify these remedies based on his intuitive nature only. And we in homeopathy we have plant, animal, mineral, everything. But here only flower essences are there in batch level. Already I have told you there is no potentization in batch level, and we have potentization in homeopathy. And one more thing is differentiation is we depend both on physical and emotional symptom, mental cause, etc. But in batch level remedy, it only addresses the emotional thing. Suppose fear is one emotional thing, ego, pride, this is the one emotion thing. And one more thing is jealousy. Jealousy is one more emotion. So if jealousy is there, Holly is example I'm telling. Holly is a remedy. If we give to that particular patient, he will be set right. All his diseases are due to the emotional disturbance only. So if we convert the negative emotion into positive emotion, all the physical symptoms gradually disappear. This is the main concept in batch level therapy. So, before going to bachelor therapy, I want to add one more note. Here, Bach has divided the 38 remedies again into 7 groups, basing on the emotions only. Those 7 groups are fear, uncertainty. These are again, if we learn in depth, we can get all these 7 groups. So, example, I am telling Bach what he did means. Example, if there is a uterine condition, if fibroid is there, means any organ, it is also linked with emotion. Suppose fibroid, why is it getting as per a batch means there is a blow in feminine ego. If there is a blow in feminine ego or is any hurt from the opposite partner means they will get some emotion like that, why this has happened to me like that. So indirectly this will lead to tumor, fibroid tumor. And if we give basing on this emotion a remedy, this will create good life in that particular person. So one more thing, neck problems. What is the neck for? It is for flexibility. But what the patient who need the flexibility emotion means he is almost inflexible. He will not obey. Ye karna hai bola? No, I will not do. Resistance. For that persons, all the neck complaints will come because neck is mostly for the flexibility. So here, if we give the remedy, bachelor remedy, he will become more flexible. He will accept everything, and indirectly, the emotions which are negative they turn into positive, and all the disease or any symptom he might be having, they will convert into normal, and he becomes a healthy. This is the way. From this, you got, I think, no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Just
Continue,
be a little
continue,
more
ma'am.
louder. Just be a little bit more louder.
Okay, okay.
Continue, madam. It's good.
Yeah, that's what I'm unable to understand what's going on. So up to this point, you got it. So here also negative emotions. Bach divided the emotions into 7 parts. One is the pride. Second thing is the cruelty. Third one is the hate. Hate to other human beings or any animals. And the self-love. If there is a more self-love also, it is a negative emotion. Ignorance. If you are ignorant, lack of ignorance. Kaan mein nahi leta. So he will develop deafness in future. And greed. These are all 7 emotions. So if we deal with all these emotions, everything will be good and fine. This is all the batch flower concept. Then coming to the treatment. So how we will dispense the medicines here? Again, from the 6C globules are there. So what we are doing generally before learning the bachelor, okay, chalega, this is similar to homeopathy. Take some globules, 30 or 40 size in 1 gram bottle and add a 6C potency which is available in our market. But that concept is wrong entirely. what original in England, what they follow, original Bach Flower Center, what they follow means, I have told you the mother tincture, this mother essence. Later from the mother essence, what we have taken, I will slow one more slide. This is the mother essence. From the mother essence, these companies will prepare stock bottle. From the stock bottle, now we have to prepare the treatment mix. So how you will prepare the treatment mix means, again you have to take 30 ml of the bottle, which should be of glass, not with a plastic. And from this stock, you have to take the 2 drops of the stock remedy. To this, add again 30 ml of water and 5 ml of anything, brandy or any other simple dispensing alcohol also you can add for preservation purpose only. So from this stock remedy, we are preparing the treatment mix and we are dispensing it to the patient. What our available companies in India, what they are doing, they are not preparing from stock bottle. They are directly giving the treatment mix for us. Single treatment mix. If you buy Aspen, one drug is Aspen. If you buy Aspen, it is nothing but the treatment mix. What we are doing, we are using it on homeopathy globules. And
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am, but your voice is very low. So
yeah.
if you could speak a little bit louder, people are finding difficulty in hearing you. So just raise your voice a little bit more.
Okay. 1 second, ma'am.
Just speak little loudly.
I am using speaker. 1 second, ma'am. Headphones I am using. Now am I audible, madam?
Yes, can it be louder than this?
One second.
Is it okay with everyone in the audience? Because I'm getting messages. So, in case you all are okay, we'll continue. Yes, ma'am, you can continue. Everybody is giving a thumbs up. So, please continue.
Yeah. So now audible, na, ma'am? Again.
Yes, ma'am, you are. But just speak a little bit more loudly.
Yeah. Now is it audible? Actually, in the laptop, the microphone is not working. So I am using the loudspeaker. So I am
Ma'am, it's
unable.
fine now. You can continue.
Yeah, yeah. So what we are getting here in our market means just getting the treatment bottle, not the stock bottle. From the stock bottle, we have to prepare our own treatment mix and we should dispense it to the patients. So you got this point now up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dr. Rahida, one second. So just please explain about the treatment
And
mix
these are
one more
different
time.
remedies of the bachelor. Just I am giving one note of description of it. Agrimony. What is this agrimony means? It the patient hides worries, all the worries, and he will be always cheerful. And aspen, the fear of unknown things. Beach, the beach patient will be almost always criticizing others. And centauri, this centauri, these people will have difficulty in saying no. They can't tell no to anyone. They are people pleasing personalities. Then Serato, there is a lack of trust in his own decisions. ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. What is it? Like that, indecisive like the our pulsatilla, Serato. Cherry plum, they lose almost every control. ये करना है तो they will get huge rage or anger. These are cherry plums. Chestnut bud, they can't learn from the past mistake. And chicory, very possessive love. ये मेरा है तो मेरा है. This is the chicory. And clematis, they will be always in the dreamy state. and they're unable to concentrate. Either they live in the past or they live in the future. Then clematis. Then crab apple. Crab apple, always they will be cleansing. In OCD, how will the people? They are always cleaning everything. So crab apple is similarly. Then elm. Elm is one of the drug where overwhelmed by responsibility. सुबह में ये काम करना है, दोपहर में ये करना है, रात को ये करना है. Everything they take whole the responsibility and completely doing the things. Gentian. ये कैकू हो रहा, discouragement. Always why I have to suffer. Always thinking about the setbacks is the gentian. Then gorse. Gorse is somewhat deeper than the gentian. Gentian के बाद gorse आता है. If we don't find any treatment with gentian, you go for gorse. Here the hopelessness is complete lack of hopelessness. Hope ही नहीं रहता, अरे मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा, and even they get the suicidal thoughts also in case of gorse. Then coming to hither. Hither they always self-centeredness, means nothing but boasting. They have, अरे I am very great. ये इतना छोटा काम है, मैं इतना आसान से कर सकती हूँ. Like that, this all self-centeredness. They always boasting themselves, hither people. And holy, always jealousy like that of the lattices. ये envy है, hatred, everything they come under holy. And honeysuckle, this is the, in this remedy, always the people live in the past only. ये काइको हुआ, why this happened, what this happened, like this. And coming to hornbeam, always procrastination. If we want to do one thing, they will always postpone the thing, hornbeam. And impatience, this is not the impatience, it is impatience. Impatience will have always irritability, always there will be impatience like that. And larch, lack of confidence. Then everyone, अरे तू कर सकता है, you can do, like that. Someone has to always trigger him. This is larch. Then coming to mimulus, fear of known things. Example, if some people might be having fear of car driving, if you take mimulus, you can drive a car very nicely. And mustard. Here mustard is very deep gloom without reason. There will be no reason why they will be sad. Then oak, overworking people are oak. In spite of exhaustion, thaka hua hai, again he will do the work. Even he is not willing, he will do the work. That is the oak people. Then coming to olive, complete physical and mental exhaustion. They will be mentally exhausted and physically exhausted. Pine, guilt. Here guilt means why I have done this. This is my fault. Always thinking that is the pine. ये मेरे लिए ही हुआ है. Even simple silly thing also, they will tell that this is because of me only. Red chestnut, for very concerned, over concerned for the loved ones. For example, if a mother, his sons goes out, अरे वो आया ही नहीं भी, देरी हो गई, accident हुआ होगा. This much thinking she will be having for the people who she loves the most. Red chestnut. And the rock rose, terror and fright. For doing the simple thing also, they will get severe fright. And rock water. Here comes the rigidity. I will be like this only. This is the rock water. And scleranthus, again indecisiveness. Scleranthus is again indecisiveness. Then Star of Bethlehem. This Star of Bethlehem also, it is for shock or trauma. For example, Ignitia or Natramur, because of some financial loss or any disappointments. Here we can give the Star of Bethlehem. And sweet chestnut. Here extreme mental anguish. Always he will be thinking, it is sweet chestnut. And vervain, over enthusiasm. कुछ काम करना है तो he will be very enthusiastic. हद से ज़्यादा. And coming to wine, super dominant. मेरा चलना है तो चलना है. He will inflexible. These wine people again will get the cervical spondylosis like this. Walnut. This is the main remedy for the female here in bachelor because they always want protection from any change. Here change means any hormonal change. From puberty to menopause, any change. This everything comes under the walnut, which is the most beautiful drug which we can give for our female patients, walnut. And water violet, they will be always isolated. Someone came to home, a friend came to home. अरे मिलना है बोलते, he will tell I am not in the home. He will not come out. He will be in his own world. White chestnut, unwanted thoughts, every time thinking of something, and he will be getting sleeplessness. And wild oat. This wild oat, these people will not have any direction in their own life. Means what we have to do. अरे 10th हो गया, इसके बाद क्या करना है? ऐसा, they don't have any life direction. आवारा आवारा फिरेगा. हो गया, every 10th is over and no more thing to do, like that. If we give wild oat, na, they will get a one definite direction. Wild rose, complete apathy. And willow, they have most self-pity and resentment. These are the 38 bachelor remedies. Up to here you got, I think. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, Dr. Vahida, you are simply
So-
good till now. So just explain
We will
how
select
is it
basing on this,
good with
any
this.
one of the remedy. Means suppose, for example, here we are dealing with the gynecological condition. So in what I have told you, walnut is main remedy for this female complaints. Then if we want to give the walnut, then how you have to prescribe this walnut for that particular person. So again, treatment mix. You prepare the treatment mix. How you will prepare the treatment mix? 30 ml of water, in that 2 drops of remedy from the stock bottle and some little brandy. And this is the treatment mix. आप अगर treatment mix दे दिए, walnut का treatment mix दे दिए, तो how you have to ask the patient how you will take. Means बोलना कि it can be taken 4 times per day. 4 times 4 drops on tongue. There are 2 different methods for taking the remedy here in the Bach fever. One is the glass method, glass of water method it is called. Glass of water method, what we can do, remedies, any remedies, take a glass, add 2 or 4 drops and you can sip a day, whole day. Abhi meeting chal raha, I am feeling nervousness, means I can add a rescue remedy or any other remedy and continuously I can sipping, so that my negative emotion will turn into positive emotion and I can take the class very nicely. This is the glass of water method. And one more method is treatment mix. As already I have told you, 30 ml of water, in that 2 drops of stock remedy and some little brandy for preservation. So from this, there should be dropper, and along with the dropper, with the help of the dropper, you ask the patient to take the 4 drops and keep it on the tongue itself. Like that, you have to ask the patient to do for 4 times a day. 4 बार लेना है. And in acute cases, it can be repeated 8 to 10 times also. No need to worry. Here, the frequency of repetition is more when compared to homeopathy, because there is no aggravation here. There is no potency. So you can repeat as n number of times as you can. And one more thing, in homeopathy, we can give 1 remedy at a time only. But in bachelor remedies, we can give maximum 7 remedies per once. Means you have seen this, all the negative emotions in these drugs. Suppose one patient is indecisive. See this scleranthus. Okay, scleranthus le liye. And one more thing, you want to give olive. Olive le liye. Basing on the emotions, maximum up to 7 emotions, you can add 7 remedies to the treatment mix and you can dispense to the patient. यहाँ तक समझ में आना, you can get, you got it now, all everyone? Yeah. This is the dispensing, preparation and some other drugs which I have highlighted. There is a materia medica for this and a repertory for this bachelor remedies. Simply for the easy remembrance, I have given one highlighting point for each and every remedy. So by seeing this only, we can get the basic idea of the remedy. Then in homeopathy, many of us treat like layers, like that. They will tell, even Padmaja Man will be telling outer layer is removed, inner layer. Like that, bachelor also does the same. Here, think of an onion. It has layers. Bahar ka layer hai, under, like that. What I have told you, 38 remedies. So 38 remedies is again divided into 12, 7, 19. Remember this point. 12, 7, 19. One more time. So what is the 12? 12 is the center of the onion. nothing but the soul type. Soul type means it is the basic personality of that person. So, andar se bahar aa rahi. From center, I am moving to outside. Center, you have 12 remedies. Then coming to outer one, 7. So 7, these are all the helpers. Means a person is some basic personality. Because of some long-term conditioning, he will be getting some other emotions. So these 7 helpers will help for the long-term conditioning effects. They will remove the long-term conditioning. At the final outer layer of the onion, you will be having 19 remedies. These 19 remedies are nothing but they are the reaction to the present environmental situation or present situation. So 12 inside, in the middle 7 and outside 19. Total kitne remedies ho gaye? 38 remedies. So when the patient comes, first we will give the 19 remedies which are in the outer layer. Later the patient will express more mental symptoms. At that time we need the 7 remedies in the middle, and to reach the final core of that particular patient for the particular constitution, we have to use the center of the 12, and finally the disease will be completely cured from outside to inward. This is the layering method in case of batch flower remedies. If anyone have doubt, please ask me. This is the main thing. We cannot find this in books. Then what is the rescue
Hello.
remedy? Rescue remedy
Am I audible? Hello.
is the mixture of 5 remedies: rock rose, clematis, impatiens, cherry plum,
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
and
Padmaja
star
ma'am,
of
you are...
Bethlehem. Then when is
Okay,
the
okay.
rescue remedy is given?
Yeah.
In case of
Hello.
any severe accident cases, in case of any burn cases, even if we are going to attend any stage fright problems, anything, rescue remedy is given. Many of cinema heroines in the Western world, they use the rescue remedies till now in order to avoid the tensions in their daily life. Here are some of the common bachelor remedies we can encounter in the gynecological issues. So I don't know how many of you know the bachelor remedies. Can you all raise your hands?
Any slide presentation is there? Dr. Wahida, any slide presentation is there? Slides are not moving.
So I'm seeing here 25 members. So I think 20 out of 25, how many are using bachelor? I don't know, because these names are only quite different for a new person. If anyone is already practicing bachelor, means they will have a quite knowledge regarding. This is the crab apple. So after this class, we have to make notes of the 38 remedies. Even we don't know how to pronounce it also. Suppose impatience is there. In the initial period, we think that it is impatience, the drug name is, but it is not the impatience, it is impatience. So that's why I'm asking. These 35 remedies are clearly very new to us. So first, common bachelor remedies in case of gynecological issues. So
Dr.
crab
Alka,
apple is frequently repeated.
Dr. Alka, maybe the speaker is
Why?
not
Means
able to hear
it
me.
helps in feeling
Just
of
read
the
out the
impurity,
messages in the
discomfort related to the body.
just read
Then
out the
walnut.
messages in the
Here,
chat and
this is
ask
main
them to reach
adaptation. What I have told you, from puberty to menopause, each and every hormonal change. Walnut is for change. Example, if
excuse me, ma'am.
in other condition also we can
Excuse
use.
me, ma'am.
For example, in respiratory condition, in cough or cold, aggravation after any seasonal change, or some person is going to abroad from India, then walnut can be
maybe
given.
she is not able
Simple
to
word change. Any change
are
is
not audible
walnut.
to her,
So in
so she can leave and
gynecological
come.
practice, we can
I
use
thought I will
walnut
leave and come.
in n number of patients.
I will just send a
Then
message.
Star of Bethlehem. This is similar to our Ignitia or Natrum. Here, emotional trauma. This causes any condition, either fibroid, DUB, PCOS, anything, and trauma including the hemorrhagic losses, even gynecological procedures also. For that also we can give SOB. SOB nothing but Star of Bethlehem. Then coming to olive, exhaustion. What will happen after loss of blood? Exhaustion will come, any fatigue. In these conditions, again, olive is given. Even in any chronic conditions, at the final stage, the patient will be very exhausted. Mental exhaustion. Are और कुछ नहीं होगा, this is the last. At that time also we can give the olive. Here mustard is one more remedy. This also helps in mood swings due to hormonal fluctuations.
Excuse me, ma'am,
And
am I
cherry
audible?
plum, this helps in the emotional distress related to the reproductive system. And red chestnut, excessive worry about fertility. अरे pregnancy आएगा and I constantly thinking, excessive worry, negative worry, this all come for red chestnut. This is up to general, anything. These remedies are for any PCOS or anything. In general, I have told you. Now coming to only infertility. In infertility, how we can use the Bach flower remedies? These Bach flower essences help to remove the emotional blockage, mainly fear. If someone want to go to infertility center, are infertility center I am going, how it will be, what gynecologist will do, like the fear will be there. This is one of the emotion. And some other person may what happened to me, why I have to go to infertility, inflexible, that is also one emotion. Basing on that particular emotional condition, we have to give the remedy. So infertility, in infertility along with homeopathy, if we give the Bach flower remedies, means we can balance the emotions and helps for the improving of the rate of fertility. Here again, walnut for adjustment, mood changes. Mimulus, fear of the known things. Suppose conception, pregnancy, something new will happen to me, something will happen to me. This is the mimulus. Then coming to Star of Bethlehem. Star of Bethlehem.
Dr. Wahida, am I audible?
Past emotional trauma.
Dr. Wahida?
Star of Bethlehem. Again, gentian. Gentian is one of the drugs.
Ma'am, she is not able to hear us.
For those who are always discouraged. Fertility, I will not get, I will not become mother again. Like that, negative, complete in negative state, this will be there. For this, gentian is given. Then coming to cherry plum. Cherry plum, complete emotional loss of emotional control, feeling of frustration. This cherry plum is given. These are the infertility drugs. Someone thinking that I am going too fast.
Yes, Dr. Wahida, am I audible to you? So far, my understanding is batch flower remedies are also the only flower essence. I am just summarizing for all of us. And they are all flower remedies, wild flowers, just gone into the forest and getting them. And the potentization method is similar to homeopathy, it is not homeopathy. And they are mixing it within brandy and they are preparing it to a few drops with mother tinctures. And that means directly they are boiling the flowers in water or in the sun heat and they are making the mother essence. And that is prepared in the stock bottles. So 30 ml stock bottles will be there. From that stock bottle, 2 ml, 2 drops are taken into 30 ml normal water, and we can sip that water. From that water, we can take 4 drops and write in 4 times a day. Or sometimes we can mix that water in our 30 ml water, and we can continuously sip them in very emotional stress. So that is one point. The other point is, so it is based on only negative emotions. So what we may call also the sensations, like what she told, the fear sensation the inflexibility sensation, the jealousy sensation, the suspectability. What is that? Not able to believe, trust, no trust. That is one sensation, something like that. So what batch flower they remedies say that they also give all they will be treating all the negative emotions one by one, one by one, one by one. So basic negative emotion which is thrown outside will be the PQRS. So like in a homeopathy, PQRS outer layer, the most negative emotion will be thrown out first. So that will be cured first. Then again the next emotion, the next emotion, the next emotion. Like that we will be going into the core and the basic emotion there, the negative emotion will be taken care by the back flower remedy. That is what is the cure they term. But as homeopath, we have some points to be known here, to be cleared here. So, if at all only the emotions are there in multimiasmatic cases or in our syphilitic, most syphilitic cases, or the mixed emotions will be there, right? That means she must be feeling happy, but because of other sad issues, she will be hiding her happiness or she may not feel her happiness. So, like this, in that sensations, the emotions may alter. These altered emotions can be taken care more with homeopathy, as per my understanding, and little less with batch flower. So, we can use batch flower remedies for those particular sensations as help to help our particular constitutional remedy. This is what is our understanding of homeopaths right now. But the batch flower people, they say that only those remedies are also sufficient. No need to take any other. And that complete science is being evolved right now. Complete science is there, like that is only one level, two level, three level course is there for homeopaths. But for direct for the +2 people, it is continue completely like a homeopathic course is there. 3 or 4 years course is also there to know about the batch flower remedies. And in the foreign, they don't agree homeopathy, but they agree batch flower. This is this I don't know at all. How would they agree batch flower? I don't know at all. But they will be using this batch flower remedies in the table because they feel that it is herbal. They feel that it is herbal, something to do with the essence. That means it won't come into contact in their main remedies which they are taking. So they can take their main remedies as like that, and they will take this as a supplements like phosphorus supplement ले लिया, selenium का supplement ले लिया, कुछ और का supplement ले लिया. वैसा they can take this also because this is herbal tea like the Chinese herbs. So herbal means generally that will be from China only. They have made all those things. Even India is rich with herbs, but we can't claim our food because we are not good with our own knowledge. So that is one thing. So like that is why because they don't claim that they are the right, they are the complete curing people like homeopaths. So batch flowers are readily agreed in abroad. So each and everybody table में वो टेबल के ऊपर एक ब्लैक फ्लावर रेमेडी तो रहता है for their relative emotion or in their handbags, something like that. Okay. So till now, this is my understanding, and different remedies has different this one. And these people they follow the conflicts more than us. That is what she is explaining. Dr. Alka, did she join? Did the speaker join?
Yes,
I can't
ma'am.
see her.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, she joined.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry then. I mean,
My
I'm taking your
laptop
time.
actually, no, ma'am. Actually, my laptop is unable to take the audio, so I have shut down and I have logged in through my mobile phone. So I will
Yes.
just tell the points quickly.
So
You
far,
were asking about 12, 7, and 19. Yeah, ma'am.
so far my summary is that in the right direction or not?
Yeah, ma'am. Right, ma'am. You
Okay.
have
So
more experience, ma'am.
okay.
You are.
No, not like that. If I tell any mistakes means that will be conveyed in the wrong manner. Na?
No,
So
no,
till
ma'am.
that what I thought that is all correct only, right?
Yeah, ma'am. In
Yes, then
foreign, they
thank
are
you.
more using this bachelor compared to homeopathy. Even here,
Yes.
from here, we can practice homeopathy in more than 100 different countries, but we are not allowed to practice homeopathy over there. That is the main issue going on right now. And ma'am, you have asked regarding the 12, 7, and 19. So, in first, remember 3 layers, madam. Outside, it is the 19, in middle, 7, and the at the center 12. 12 is nothing but the center. It is the soul remedies. Soul means that is the basic personality of that particular person. It is the center 12. And in the middle 7, these are the helpers. And the outside 19 means suppose you think of a onion, madam, it has outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. So person journey is also from the basic nature to the helper stage, which out of 7 we can give any remedy for the helping him. And outermost level is the present life situations. Basing on the present life situation, which are 19 remedies, out of this 19, anyone on that particular situation we can give. This you got it, madam. 12, 7, 19.
Yes, I got it in beginning only, but some other doctor is asking, so I have
Yeah,
asked
ma'am.
you again.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
Dr. Alka, one second, Abhida. Dr. Alka, so you have raised your hand.
Yeah, I raised my hand because I wanted to know what exactly do they teach in this level 2 bachelor remedies course. Because as it is today, you have taught us, the indications for all the remedies. At the same time, the importance of giving the remedies in a sequence as per the recommendations and also the dosage. So, what further do you learn in the course?
Actually, it is a 3-level course, madam. Level 1, level 2, level 3. One only beginners one. We can know only 38 remedies. What is the indication? That's it. These all are I have learnt in level 2. And the level 3, it is for training the other people. This bachelor in that Vayor, where I have learnt Vayor, it is from the art of living. There only graduation, even 10th class people are learning this bachelor therapy, and they are following and they are practicing, earning a lot of amount compared to us. And they're treating, the patients are also having full of satisfaction, because the cures are also very easy when compared to homeopathy. What I have seen there, there is a forum there, research is going on bachelor. We are completely unaware of the bachelor remedy. So why can't we also add this bachelor to our homeopathy? Because we study for 4.5 years and again we do the PGs. Simple 38 remedies we are using here. So in the level 2, we all study this matter, and level 3, if you are interested to spread this bachelor knowledge to other people, you can become a trainer by doing the level 3. I did up to only level 2 only. I didn't go for level 3.
And ma'am, once you do the level 2, how do you combine this with homeopathic practice? Because if there is some remedy in homeopathy indicated and you give a backflower remedy, how do you judge whether the response is to the homeopathic remedy or it is to the backflower remedy?
Actually, what I am doing means, in some patients, I am trying only bachelor, no homeopathy. In some cases, giving only homeopathy. It depends upon us whether we can give this or that. In very acute conditions, bachelor are working very good compared to homeopathy, where I have seen. And even I have cured some of the pediatric cases. One example I am telling, the delayed milestones are there. The particular boy, he was not talking, the talking is delayed for his appropriate age. So tuberculinum I have given, I went for up to 10m everything, but there is no proper response, because maybe I might be wrong, my remedy might be wrong, my selection might be wrong. But here I have gave walnut. Only after 1 month he was completely talking and he was singing the rhymes, and the parents were very happy. So this was the difference I saw, where we can't find a simillimum in case of homeopathy. We can have in bachelor. While dispensing, I told it is I don't introduce it as a bachelor. That is also homeopathy, like that only I give.
Do you give it in pill form or
No,
liquid form?
no, madam, I don't use it in pill form. What I have told you starting is the similar treatment mix. What we call in bachelor, it is the treatment mix. Mother tincture. From there, you will take the again. Second thing is the what stock bottle, what the manufacturing will sell to us, that is the stock bottle. From the stock bottle, I will prepare my own treatment mix and I will give maximum 7 remedies we can give at a time, not a single drug. You can give even single if you are quite confident. If you are not confident, if you give the 7 remedies, if 3 are wrong, they might not act, they will not act. So 3 remedies will sure they will act.
Okay.
So
And this
I am
combination
buying.
of 7 remedies is fixed, or you need to decide which are the
We
seven.
No, madam. We have to decide basing on the emotions of that particular person.
Okay. And is there any particular book or any reference guide for this?
Particular book means V. Krishnamurti is one of the bachelor practitioner in Chennai. He has given many books. I have one book with me, Bachelor Remedies by Dr. Krishnamurti. The book name is itself. So in that repertoire is also there for the bachelor remedies. We can go for a repertoration also. And even it is also available in Zomeo software.
Yes, I
If
do have that. Right. I do have that.
in that also
So
book is
repertory
there.
is only 38 remedies repertory, huh?
Only 38 remedies, ma'am, in repertory.
But if
So
in
what
case we have the repertory with us and all the information in the repertory, can we do it without, can we prescribe without doing the certification?
Yes, ma'am. As a homeopath, you can do.
Okay.
Actually, if you want to practice in abroad from here, means certification is necessary.
Okay.
In India, no need, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Any further questions from the audience?
Yes, Dr. Vahida.
Ah,
So
ma'am.
now for your cases, where did you use the batch flower? And you have already explained one case of delayed milestones, that it was a really wonderful case, that one. And for delayed milestones, for speaking, generally we prescribe Natrium mediaticum. Okay, in your case, tuberculum may have come, and like that. But even though we have selected the right minimum, then also we can add this batch flower.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
what we say yesterday, when Dr. Rachana was presenting also, she told that when we are using homeopathic medicines, we should not take the essence of any flowers like flower tea, chamomile tea, or any other teas like that, where the flower will be more, and it will be interrupting with our constitution, right? So these are all the restrictions in our organon, like
Yes,
we should not. So but how could we give batch flower like that, because these are all flower essence, no? Because they are all potentized, that is what it, we can tell, right? Okay, potentized. Okay, so I will be using 2 to 3 I have used so far.
yes.
Chestnut, tarvata walnut, and rock rose, that one we simulated to pulsatilla, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that's one. So simulated. So you can give the drugs which are simulating to in our homeopathy remedies. Like that, you have tell about SOB, Ignatia, and Natramur.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
that, all the other drugs also you can give the similar drugs in homeopathy. And the other point which you have mentioned, the 10th class people are earning more than homeopaths. That was really a shocking thing for me. So I don't know regarding this one, because
Yeah.
people are, yeah. For homeopaths, it is given as a substitute knowledge only, batch flower. But many people are there, as you have said, they are practicing only batch flower.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
they remember, because they also learn the conflicts well. The batch flower people, they learn the conflicts well. I think they are able to survive more. But in some cases, like all the multiple miasm cases, they can't survive. Okay, that will be different issue. They also will go for the allopathy. So now you just let us know about the similar remedies of all the 38 remedies in our homeopathy. And first, you learn the cases where you are using bat flower, and in which emotion, and which medicine, and which type, how are you using these remedies. That you can give us for 10-15 cases right now, so that we
Uh,
will understand its essence. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I have cured one diabetic case with a bachelor remedy, ma'am. At the initial stage, when I have learned 1 year back this about bachelor remedies, the patient came because of some financial losses. He developed diabetes for the first time. He was aged about 35 years. So I thought, why can't I try once bachelor for this? And I have given him the bachelor remedy. 4 or 5 combinations, madam, mostly impatience, because that patient was very irritable and he was impatient because he got to diagnose diabetes, so he was in very hurry like that. So along with that, I have given this Star of Bethlehem for shock and trauma, and he was in a state of taking a improper decision. So for that I have given uh, sorry, for the lack of confidence. He was having very lack of confidence, so I gave the larch, madam. This all I have combined in the treatment mix, and I have given him for 3 months. Similar same medicines he was used, same treatment mix I gave for 3 months. After that, he again investigations were confirmed. Even his HbA1c was normal, madam. Before first when he came to me, his HbA1c was around 7.5. Later it became below 6, ma'am. That diabetes and this delayed milestone cases I have seen, madam, in Bachelor remedy.
So after that, also he is the same person, diabetes. So it's never he
No,
did
madam.
it back.
No, madam. He is in still
Whatever.
contact. I told him to get for to go for investigations for every 6 months. He is doing it, and it is normal, madam.
So he reached you immediately after the conflict happened, immediately after the financial loss happened, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay. When the conflict is so raw, he reached you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any other case?
Recently, chikungunya complaints were more in our area, madam. Chikungunya arthritis in feet, everything. I gave remedies, but they are telling, आपके remedies ले रहे तो कम हो रहा. Again, the symptoms are reappearing. Then I given only impatience, madam, nothing else. Only after giving the impatience, everything got subsided, madam. That's in chikungunya, many chikungunya cases I have given impatience.
Okay. In more and more. We want more and more.
More and more. Actually, the treatment, that book is not with me, madam. The patient's record. I am remembering and telling. And even for my son, actually, he was having impetigo, madam. So I have given crab apple. It is for any skin condition. What these bachelor people will tell means any skin condition, the blind is the crab apple along with the willow. If we combine these two remedies and we give any skin condition, it will get disappear either internally or externally. For external conditions, we mix the drop in either petroleum jelly or in any coconut oil, any oil whichever you use, and you can apply to that particular part. Everything will get disappear. And in burn cases also, in one burnt case also, I have given the rescue remedy, ma'am. Rescue remedy ointment. I have prepared my own by using our homeopathy method, madam, by our pharmacy. And in one part of that and 1 part of the medicine and 9 parts of the petroleum jelly I have taken, and double distillation method I used in my home itself, and I have given to one burn patient this crab apple and the same willow, she along with the rescue remedy, and everything got subsided, madam. Just I am giving all the trials regarding the bachelor because 1 year back only I have learnt all these cases, ma'am. Last year May I have completed my level 2.
Okay, little exciting. So how can we get these remedies now?
Here I have bought Indian companies and also London company, ma'am. Here Faridabad one company is there, ma'am. Bandari company. The Suryamanik
Oh.
Pharmaceuticals, these people will be supplying.
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
bought from that Sham only. Sham will be
Oh, yes.
I have bought from him only, madam. But out of 38 remedies, only few remedies are working in our countries. This one, madam. If I have bought the London one also, that is the complete from Batch Center. I have bought it. They are very costly, madam, compared to here. Only 38 remedies. I have bought it for 19,000 rupees, ma'am. So it is too much costly. These are the stock bottle. From the stock bottle, I am preparing the treatment mix. I have bought again the glass bottles, which are amber colored glass bottles with dispenser, madam. That a dropper will be there. Na? Generally, a homeopathy we don't use droppers. Even dropper also it should be made with glass without plastic, madam. So it will be a little bit costlier for the bottles also, and even the remedies are also costlier when compared to because customs everything it comes via ship now, ma'am, London to here. Though everything taxes for everything we will get for a higher cost when compared to Indian one. Even our
Then
companies, ma'am. For our companies, madam, I will come to that point. For our companies, I used to directly in the pills I used to give for the poor people, madam, who are below poverty line, middle class, everything. I use the Indian company, and some people are rich who can pay. For those people, I will give this London company, madam, because what I have to do, I have to also bear the cost, ma'am. That's why, madam.
No, the batch flower means we are having only pills only we are having. So far we know about pills only. So these dilutions are again mixed with the pills like in homeopathy or what?
No, madam, we don't have to add the in the pills, madam. Only treatment mix we are giving. Stock bottle, we will buy stock bottle, madam, from some company, batch company. We have bought the stock bottle. From the stock bottle, you will take the 2 drops of the stock bottle liquid. To the 2 drops, we will add 30 ml of water and 2 or 3 ml of brandy, and we will prepare the treatment mix of 30 ml. From the 30 ml, we will ask the patient to take only 4 drops on his tongue. No pills, madam, here.
Okay, no pills, huh? Okay.
No pills.
Okay. बैट फ्लावर रेमेडी pills ही नहीं रेस्क्यू रेमेडी में pills तो रहते हैं
That is all a modified one, madam. Purely from the London where batch have prepared. This is the method, madam.
Okay. So I have never seen a liquid of a batch flower. So
I
I've
have
seen only pills so far. I bought also pills only. I use also pills only. So that is why
no,
I have
madam.
only.
That's
But the
why.
rescue remedy I have given n number of times. I always failed with rescue remedy. So I
That's
thought,
what the issue, madam. Rescue remedy, even for our company. I use Bandari company from Faridabad, madam. Previously, I used to do, but no result at all. I thought waste. This is the bachelor like that. But when I have bought this company from the foreign London, they are quite helpful and handy, madam. Even in some cases, it boost up our confidence level when giving along with the homeopathy, madam.
yes, that's there. But I have rescue remedy with me. So n number of times I have used it, but with nothing, no, not. So I thought that okay, maybe they are giving the pills only. They are giving pills in pills form only. Maybe that could be the difference also. What they have prepared and nothing like that. No, we don't know, na, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
And you said that you are giving in place of SL, you are giving back
Yeah.
flower, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, please explain that one.
If after suppose if I have selected an Natramur drug to some particular patient, madam, I give the 3 doses of the Natramur for first 1 day. Complete 30 days, I will give the past remedy basing on his emotions, madam. Both the times or TID, anything I can give basing on the symptoms I am giving it, madam. In the place of SL.
So does it it won't interfere with our remedy?
No, madam, nothing like that.
It won't suppress or it won't increase the emotions
No,
because you are directly.
no
it will go.
aggravation there.
Okay. So no aggravation. Okay.
No
So
aggravation, nothing.
it don't compensate our sensations also.
No, madam.
Okay. Okay. So
Means
it-
after 5 years, what I will tell, I don't know. But present means only 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years now, madam. Present, this is the my mindset, madam. After using for 5 years bachelor remedy, some other outcome may come or may not come. That I don't know, madam. But in the present situation, this is the working. This bachelor are working quite good, ma'am.
Yes, that's the right point you have put. And can I get this skin because I have a very chronic skin patient. So my brother-in-law, so he is not getting results. So I'm little excited to try this. What did you say? Crab apple.
Crab apple along
Crab
with
apple,
willow.
willow.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
can I get that crab apple and willow? Where can I get from Sham? Can I get that one?
Yeah, madam. He will buy. He will send you only Faridabad Bandari company, madam. That
Okay.
it will be in liquid form only, ma'am. You can buy it from him.
Okay. Yeah, because Sham is regularly related with me every day. Today also I got some with him. So I will get this 30 ml bottles I need to get, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how would I advise the patient to take that one? Because my patient is having psoriasis condition under the eyelids and above the eyelids. So I'm treating him. It is coming down and going up, coming down and going up. Multiple other complaints are also there with him. He is a very anxiety patient, complete anxiety patient like Kelly group. So I'm treating basing on that also. So I wanted to send some external applications right now. Till now, I did not send any external. So he is using some mometasone or antifungal, something like that. So I asked him to stop that one. And he is using now Nivea cream, something like that. So I thought that I can give calendula or calendula aloe vera, some other combinations of homeopathy. But can I give this willow or crab apple, that liquid which I will be getting from Sham? How could I dispense that to him?
Ask him to take some coconut oil, add few drops of this liquid and directly apply on that particular area, ma'am.
Oh, even under the eyes also,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. Yeah,
Hmm.
during night time he can apply, madam. You know one thing,
Okay.
madam. One more point I have to add here. I have to
Hmm.
recently we are seeing many ads like that of the spray serums for the scalp for hair growth, hair thickening, like that.
Yes.
Alps, everything like that. In Bachelor also there is a serum, madam. It is prepared from crab apple and willow only, madam. Even you can use this in your home also, ma'am. You can take one 30 ml spray bottle. In that you add 30 ml of water. In that again you add 2 drops of willow and crab apple. You prepare your own spray to your own scalp, madam. After using it, na some hair fall and hair thinning is reduced for me. I have tried on myself that thing.
So that means scalp psoriasis or any other scalp conditions
Also,
or without any condition also?
no condition, madam. For a simple beauty product, madam.
Cosmetic uses also.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Mhm.
This is also the good issue. So
Yeah.
I have to buy crab apple and willow right now for my
Yes,
patient,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So dear doctors, I am going to try this one now. So I will be letting you know the
Ma'am,
results
I
in the
have
near
one question
future.
here. What
Hmm.
is the brand of brandy that we need to use? Like you said that you need to add brandy also to the mixture, right?
In
So
anything,
where do you
madam,
buy
not
that?
specific like that.
You can buy it from a general wine store or a.
Yeah, madam. Actually, they thought art of living. They told to buy brandy bottle, but I am using or dispensing alcohol, madam.
Okay, that is the SL liquid.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So how many drops of that?
For 30 ml, around 3 ml, I'm adding, madam.
Okay.
For 30 ml of water, 3 ml.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So that means the crab apple bottle which I am taking right now from the vendor, I should not send that bottle, right? I need to mix that mix that in the three few drops, and I need to make another bottle or water.
Yes, madam. That is, if you buy from London, you have to do this, madam. We are buying from India, na, they are already prepared the treatment bottle. That is, so now
Okay, so I
directly you can give to patient.
okay. Okay,
Uh,
okay.
then ask
Directly
the
we can give.
patient. Yeah, directly you give the patient and ask him to mix it with some coconut, 2 drops,
Okay.
there are 8 to 10 drops, and directly apply
Yeah,
to
I
the
get
area.
that. So if we want to mix it the 7 drugs, something like that, then we will get all the bottles and we need to mix that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. So the treatment mix only is available for us. That
Yes,
is quite
ma'am.
yeah. Hmm. So
Mm.
right now I'll buy from Sham. Today only I'll buy. So tomorrow I'll give to the patient and I will check and after let you know after 15 days. Okay.
Yeah, once you
Hmm.
ask the Sham how he's dispensing, he will tell one new method, madam. He told me that
Okay.
also. You also ask him, ma'am.
So what he will tell actually? Hmm.
He will tell that take 30 ml of the bottle, to that add this what he's giving that liquid to 30 ml
Hmm.
of water. You add this, and again for that 5 ml of alcohol, like that he will tell, madam. He will tell some other different method of dispensing, madam.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember. Once you ask the Shama, he will tell some different approach which Manik Prabhu sir uses.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. So, Manik Prabhu is using this regularly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. So then we can ask him now. Okay.
Mm.
Dear doctors, what we are, whom we are speaking of, that is a good brand doctor in Hyderabad, the Surya Manik Teja Homeo Stores. I think you also know him because he is in 1mg also now, 1mg products in homeopathy also. So during COVID time, all over India, he supplied. He is a very good distributor of homeopathic medicines here. So he is doing batch flower remedies. So Dr. Manik Prabhu. So that is what we are speaking about. You can get from the Hyderabad also then, or you can get directly from Faridabad also. First, we will try the Indian versions only. Then we will go for we are really good, then we'll go for the London nursing. And one more thing, doctor. So you just let us know the say, similar drugs like the Star of Bethlehem, Ignition, Atomor, something like that. You let us know the names of our drugs also. And afterwards, you just write it on a paper and keep the picture also, so that we will note it down. Okay.
For not for all the 38 remedies I have prepared, ma'am. For only few only I have prepared, madam. That's
Okay. Okay. Okay, then you please give like no? The 38 remedies and the 38 emotions you give that. Huh?
yeah,
Chat.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, that we can get elsewhere also on the net. Huh?
No, ma'am. It is not properly available on net. It is Art of Living people only prepared and gave me. That I will modify a little bit in easier form and I will give you, madam.
Yes, that you can forward that in our group, like in a paper or in like in a typing on a like a text format also. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I will send
Like
one PDF, madam. It will be
yes,
easier
yes.
for you.
Yeah, that PDF we will keep it in our this one table, and we will try to follow that one along with our remedies, as you have said, in place of SL sometimes, and in place of it is external sometimes. So we will try
And
and we
in
will.
place of mother tinctures or in case of trituration 6x or 12x, you
Yes,
can give
yes,
this, ma'am.
yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
when the emotions are very clear, like that, whenever we prescribe lacosis or whenever we prescribe lacosis in the basis of suspiciousness or jealousy, then we can select these remedies, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Holly,
It will
Holly
all
is very similar to lacosis. You can give Holly, madam.
okay. So very quite very great number of homeopaths are using batch flowers these days. Very senior homeopaths are also very much using batch flowers these days. So why not let us try this also? So just give that PDF to have that basic emotion list. Then we will try in our own way and we will update the results in our group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. For
Okay, dear
pimples, ma'am.
Dr. Zen.
One more thing, madam. Last one more.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
these teenage girls will be coming now, madam, for pimples, everything.
Hmm.
Yeah, for that crab apple, simple. I have given crab apple to apply on the face during night time. Pimples and even scars. That everything
Okay.
got
Okay.
clear, ma'am.
The,
Yeah, that
the
particular
acne
college,
fits.
she has brought all the college students one day. Some madam is giving one some liquid. Everything is getting cleared off like that. She brought so many of
Oh,
students came, ma'am.
that's so fine. That's so fine. So the acne fits also will be gone, huh? This one?
Yeah, ma'am.
The
Yeah,
fit of
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Everything is getting clear, ma'am. What is happening, I don't know, but result is seen, ma'am. That is.
oh, crab apple. Mhm. Okay. We will note that one. So
Any
I will
suggestions
just
for
No side effect, ma'am. There is no aggravation, no trituration, no dilution, nothing, na, madam. No aggravation at all.
no. Somebody is asking about suggestions for any other complaint. What is that, madam?
alopecia, ma'am?
Sorry, madam.
Alopecia. Alopecia.
Yes, ma'am,
Alopecia.
alopecia.
Same, madam. Again, crab apple along with a willow. Both the remedies will work for alopecia also, madam. Sorry, along with that
Can you
beach.
please suggest?
Beach.
Can you
Be
please suggest how to use, ma'am?
all the three remedies, beach and crab apple, willow. Mix these three remedies and you apply it in coconut oil or any oil. Or even you can
We
use
can
it and spray also in water.
yeah.
In water, you can add these three remedies and you can use it as a spray. Similar to nowadays, we are getting rosemary spray like that. Na? Similarly,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. So can we mix that with rosemary, our mother tincture?
I didn't tried it, madam. I don't know.
Yes, yes. Because if it is mixed with homeopathic liquids or any other cosmetics, does it work or like that? Because these days young people are becoming bald, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
many young people they are coming with hair fall, all the other chemical combinations they will be using with thousands of rupees they are spending. So can we give this combination?
Yes,
So you
madam.
better do like this, na, Dr. Vaida, for all of us. So you, whatever you have explained now, the three remedies for hair serum, you write it like that, and for all other suggestions, you write like that, and you send that PDF. We'll keep that PDF as a our what we call reminder, and we will take one whenever we want. We will see that, and we will prepare. Right,
Sure,
right.
ma'am. Yeah,
That's
ma'am.
it, huh? So anytime we should not we should not listen all this recording. Na? So that would be good.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
for alopecia, one combination is there. For acne and pimples, one combination is there. For the delayed speech. So whatever you have used so far, or whatever you are intending to use, so just keep that combinations with us, and we will buy that as and when we need them, and we will use that, and we will let you know the results. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, any experience with keloids?
Keloid, no, madam. I still homeopathy only I gave, madam. Still no keloid. No, I didn't try batch flower.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Ma'am, one doubt. Are there any research articles published on this?
Many research articles are there, madam. If you search it in PubMed, PubMed is the online platform for the all the books, everything, research articles. So you can search in PubMed, madam. I have searched in PubMed, and I have found many articles related to this bachelor remedies. Even like homeopathy, we are using in animals and even for gardens, plants. These bachelor remedies are also used for animals and plants, madam.
Okay, ma'am. Are the research results are towards positive, or what is the majority of research results, ma'am?
I saw many things. It is mixed. Some are telling it is only placebo. Some are telling it is quite good like that, madam. The articles are saying mixed. Even for
So then
homeopathy also, they will tell that it is only placebo effect. Allopathy, na.
no. For animals and plants, how could we get the emotion then?
For plants, by seeing the leaf structure like that, they have told me, madam, in Art of Living. Animals also, whether it is how it is expresses, it is whether irritable. If that particular animal is irritable, you give impatience. If it is very sad, if it is alone like that, you give this what they told, ma'am. In animals, I didn't give, madam. Mustard. They told, madam. Like that, they told.
Yeah,
For
dear doctors, excuse me, madam. Dear doctors, batch flower research is completely there on Google. Many books are there on batch flower also. So the literature is quite very much more than our homeopathy is available on Google. And there is a diet that London Edward Bach School is conducting a complete training course of this. Particular training course which I have told you about, 6 months course or something, 1 year course is like their diploma course that we can do. Like as a PG diploma, we can do that one. They are very much strictly they are teaching the people, like a very strict science they are teaching the people, and they tell that the constitutionally also it will help and something like that they are telling. So if anyone want to learn batch flower really, they can directly learn from the London school, so that it will be like a science then. Not like something like that. That is what is my advice. Like that.
these people, madam, Art of Living also, Vior, the company's name is Vior, 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 Art of Living under the ages of Swamiji. They are teaching this bachelor remedy, madam, Ravi Shankar Sastri, I think so. And they have collaborated with the National Skill Development Corporation. So they are training because many women nowadays they are facing diverse everything like that. They are empowering the women through this bachelor. They are helping. They are becoming the backbone to this woman, madam. That going on, madam. That aspect that.
Yes. Please, national skill development means that is only the issue, no? So we need to empower and everything. So whenever it is coming under national skill development, it's good that Ravi Shankar sir has taken that. Ravi Shankar Guruji has taken this one, and I don't know that Art of Living teaches this also. Okay, that's a good change in our country. It's good while the women are learning all, but we need to learn it more on the science aspect,
Yes, ma'am.
because that is all we need to go into the science aspect of the bachelor remedies also. There is some particular science is there, but as a homeopath, I say that there are more limitations are also there. But whenever we will be going practically only we can see, because many of our homeopaths, many very famous homeopaths are using bat flower these days. So intercurrently they are using anti-miasmatic, they are using, and giving for everyday use they are using, and they are using different combinations also they are using. I have learned so from so many doctors this batch flower remedies. So I thought that this is a new information, why to mingle with in my brain. So I have kept that aside. So when Dr. Vaid has been mentioning about batch flower the other day, so I thought why can't we get some knowledge from her? So I have requested her to come into our platform. And regarding our present complication, like DUB and PCOS, and you said only about walnut, right? So
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other medicines are there? So for particular, that means for particular menorrhagia, some drug, metrorrhagia, some drug, PCOS or infertility, something like that, or
No, not
for any
specific,
other.
madam. Basing on emotion only, madam. Any cause, the main cause and emotion. That's it, madam. Not specific remedy for batch flower,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Similar to
So no
homeopathy,
specific.
madam.
Yes, yes. No disease specific. It's only emotion specific, right?
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. That's so fine. And dear doctor, she was explaining about the conflict in cervical spondylitis. I think the neck pain, the ego, the not flexibility, non-flexibility. So that is what is the conflict we follow generally for cervical spondylitis. The spondylitis means the neck problem. Neck is not able to help us, something like that, na? So what we generally do, our gardan nicha karna, or we will bend our head down for see that the other person is great or we are low, something like that, na? Sir नीचे रखना, नाक लो, ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं ना, नाक अपने नाक जमीन पे रगड़ लो, ऐसा. That means it is an indication that if we bow our head, that is that we are bowing, we are less than the other person, or we have done some mistake, something like that. That is the indication of that bowing before. And whenever we are suffering conflict with our ego, the ego has been hurt, then generally we will giving the egoistic remedies like Natromur, Ignatia, something like that. But Ignatia's ego is regarding the position, and Natromur's ego is regarding the emotion, something like that, no? But only the ego is hurt, like the male ego, the female ego, what we will tell. Then the spondylitis, the neck problems will come. The neck problems will come, and I have a beautiful case of my colleague doctor where he has treated cervical, what is we call that listhesis. Listhesis also he has treated with only this ego problem only. It's a simple ego means ego, suppressed ego, Staphysagria 200 has cleared all the ankylosing spondylitis of the cervical spine, cervical spine. So ankylosing spondylitis is generally is not an incurable disease, right? So what my colleague doctor, he was explaining this case, that an MLA's local MLA's son is there. So local MLA's son has been wedded to a girl very pompously, very pompously. Everything has happened, but that girl doesn't like him. So in the first night only, she had discarded him, and she simply walked away from the home. So what this boy thought, na? So how could she do that to me? But we are simply asking him. So what? So what? So what? So what means what? How could she do that to me? My father is an MLA. What other people will know, think about me, and what? How can I face the assembly now in our home? So that is what is his problem. He is not feeling that some lady has been threatened him, or he gone. Nothing like that. That ego has been done. He developed cervical ankylosing spondylitis of the spine, cervical spine. He had already went to all the corporate hospitals of allopathy and few homeopaths also. So whenever we have taken this conflict and suppressed ego has been given Staphysagria 200, simple Staphysagria 200 has cured him. The 25 years or 28 years boy, or we can say a man, has been completely cured with his cervical ankylosing spondylitis, and now he married another girl, and he is not at all in this depression now. Like that the cure, like that the conflict has been cleared. So whenever when Dr. Vahidas has been explaining about the non-flexibility, then I'd remembered this case and I have shared this one. Like that, we need to go through the conflicts, whatever is going behind him. We need to ask him only. We should not prejudice ourselves. We should not think that it may have, it may have, it may have. No, it may have no place to in homeopathy for it may have. So only the patient should explain. Okay. So this is our takeaway home. Thank you, Dr. Wahida, and any other doctors. Questions are.
Hi, ma'am. It's a beautiful session. We want another session, madam, with the bachelor remedies. with more to familiarize more with bachelor MDs, please have another session with bachelor MDs, ma'am.
Actually, Materia Medica is somewhat vast like a homeopathy Materia Medica, this bachelor also, that each and every drug it needs to be elaborately taught so that we can understand each and every remedy in depth. What I have given is just highlighting point of every drug.
Yes, yes, that is why we are able to we want to use it and something. Yeah, the Metromedica is very vast is there. Sometimes only one drug is suitable to lycopodium and lacacy, something like that. Because the emotion, when it suits the emotion, it will come. Okay, then in the second session, after a while, we will keep again your session. Till that time, you do on experiments with your batch flower and you keep a record of that one. And in the second session, you let us know whatever experiments you have done so far and you give us the crux of the treatment process. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, there is a question from Asha PN. Is there any back flower remedy for joint pain?
Again, joint pain, same emotion. You should find out what is the emotion behind the joint pain. Any pain, mostly impatience is the remedy given, but you have to know the emotion behind the joint pain also. Whether the person is having a lack of confidence, means larch is the remedy, like that. Any emotion, if you find out any emotion, we can give the remedy.
Okay, so to my understanding, back flower remedies are very useful if we understand the emotional aspect of the patient who is in front and prescribe accordingly. There is a lot more to learn, certainly. As of now, we have no more questions. So we'll end the session for today. Hoping to meet all of you once again at the same time again tomorrow with another wonderful session. Thank you, Dr. Vaidonisa and Dr. Padmaja, for all the inputs that we have received. As we are going to continue on our journey to learn further. Thank you, audience, for being here. Good night. Bye bye.
And one more thing, Andy, tomorrow we are having Dr. Renu Mahindra Madam's lecture on PCOS and infertility. So try not to miss that one. She is her what we call, her awards and her this one only will take 5 minutes, I think, for Alka Madam tomorrow. So that many awards and cherishments are there for her. She is already a retired professor. So let us not miss our session tomorrow. We will be with the same zeal. We will attend tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. Good night.
Good night, everybody. Bye bye.